The 718 Boxster S is the fourth generation of the Boxster series. I'm Darren from AutoDetailer Studio and welcome to our All Access vlog. This Boxster S, or as it's known by its internal designation, the 982, was a low-mileage pre-owned imported unit from the UK and was brought to us for our Vehicle Protection Package. This package is designed to help new vehicles in retaining the integrity of the paintwork. The Boxster S was previously fitted with a low-quality pre-cut paintwork protection film, which resulted in minor damages to panel edges, which we corrected. After the pre-cut PPF removal was completed, our client decided to put the Boxster through our Elements detailing program for selected detailing works on specific areas of the car that needed attention. The Elements detailing program is highly modular and can be configured to suit the unique needs of each individual client. To give the freshly detailed Crayon paintwork a more unique three-dimensional appearance, the client opted to protect it with our flagship matte paint protection film, SatinGuard. When installed on gloss finish paintwork, SatinGuard dynamically transforms the appearance from matte to a satin and finally a translucent finish on the edges. SatinGuard is engineered for both matte and gloss finish paintwork and allows for the surface to be protected from swirls, etching, light scratches, and burnt lime. Our custom installation ensures that the fit is seamless and covers all edges of the panels, giving you an uncompromised protection through your paintwork. Aside from the custom installation performed by our experienced technicians, your PPF will also be backed by a warranty of up to 10 years against manufacturing defects, giving you a peace of mind knowing that your car's finish is in good hands. The results are stunning, to say the least. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, SatinGuard will keep the Boxster S looking fantastic for years to come. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next vlog.